Hi, good morning, people. This is Alvin Sylvester. I thought of starting the vlog like this, but I don't know. I might be stopping at Fountain Hotel for a cup of chai. So, if that is the start, then that will be the start. If this is the start, then this will be the start. As simple as these. पेट्रोल भर गया है, भर दिया गया है, पेट्रोल भर दिया गया है. हाँ सही. I don't know if you can hear me or not, man. क्या बोलते हैं, चाय के लिए रुके. Good morning. This is Alvin Sylvester and welcome to my space. Back at Fountain Hotel. As I said earlier, a trip is incomplete without a shot. I'm in Kelwa Beach today. That's in the bike now. Sun has risen. What is the reason of Kelwa Beach? I'll tell you when we reach there ना तभी बोलता हूँ. बहुत अच्छा रीज़न. चांगला रीजन से. वाह, मतलब गुजराती, हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश मिक्स. वाह भाई. लेट्स सी हाउ फार इज इट फ्रॉम गुड. ओ 1:32 बहुत लंबा है भाई. वेट शाओ भी. बाय बाय. I don't know if you're here, but I've put the Castrol Power One again. Difference मालूम पड़ता है. This, my god, let's go 360. देखो भाई, आप अपने पास तो 360 कैमरा है ही नहीं, तो 360 का मतलब घूम के दिखाना पड़ेगा, है कि नहीं. Oh, look at this, looks so nice. Me bike. And the new Timson. Feels good. Yeah. What a view. I mean, what a view, man. Look at this. The best part to come on a non-weekend. Today's a Thursday. Usually riders ride on Saturdays and Sundays, but today's a Thursday and I'm gonna ride to Kelwa Beach. Why I'm going there, I'll tell you why I'm going there when I reach there. अगर फोन गिरा यहाँ से तो लग गए. चला रे, बहुत हो गया. फोटो सेशन बहुत हो गया. Who doesn't love these kind of roads, man? Look at this. Wow. And we're here. Pouch, guys. Oi. Oh, ho, ho, ho. इंजन इतना गर्म भी नहीं है हाथ सेकने के लिए. नॉट हॉट ओनली बट बैटरी शोज 39%. अरे मैन, आई चार्ज इट एट फुल चार्ज किया था. It's 10 o'clock and I've reached Kelwa Beach. This is the beach, and just for a breakfast, because idhar ka breakfast na idhar ka omelette, how good it is I can't tell you. I'm feeling cold around about 25-26, but na chala ke aaya wo thoda thandi abhi hai body mein. So the first time I had come here was with Jigsaw Club Mumbai, and that time I had a jigsaw. वो भी है अभी घर पे पड़ा है. And the kind of, that was like 4-5 years back, and the kind of progress, मतलब 150cc से लेकर 400cc तक आना, it's who would have thought? I didn't think that time that I would ride a 400cc bike right now, that too an Himalayan and off-roader, and I want to do more off-road. Who would have thought? Anyway, let's have breakfast now and some chai. Battery is 34% because I'm recording today's vlog on in 4K 30 frames per second linear to vlog, and 2.7K 60 frames per second wide to moto vlog. 34%. Now let's see कितना बचता है घर तक. I don't know. Let's see. बस हाफ फ्राई मिलेगा. 2 हाफ फ्राई मिलेगा. 2 हाफ फ्राई और चाय देना और पाव देना. And this is why I come here for the breakfast. I don't know, it's the simple stuff, you know. What's special about this breakfast? There's nothing special about this breakfast. It's made very simple in a manner, like 2 andas, 2 half rice and 2 paws. But it tastes very different. It's around what, 25, but abhi theek hai. Pehle to I was shivering because of the ride. Just a simple breakfast ride today on a weekday. I guess I like simple stuff. Let's go home now. the village of Saphale. From Saphale se thoda hi dur hai Kelwa Beach, not so far. So my house is like what 75-80 kilometers from my house, Kelwa Beach. Mr. Monkey, he's such a small monkey. Back to the highway, and let's see, approximately 45 minutes to reach. Reached 11:45. Not bad, not bad. एक काम करता हूँ, I'll get fresh and then I'll see you. Okay, there I am. आज का दिन यही था, short breakfast ride to Kelwa Beach. It's not too far. It's around about 75 kilometers from where I stay. Takes around 1.5 hours approximately. Depends on your speed. This will be the end. Chota sa vlog, breakfast vlog. So to tell you about Kelwa Beach, I've been like so many times. Like first time was with the GCM, Club Mumbai. And then I kept going because उसके बाद जो breakfast मैंने उधर का खाया है, one of the best breakfasts I've had is there. And yes, this will be the end. Like if you like this video, it's a short video, and share if you think that you need a good spot to to spend your mornings. If you're a rider or not a rider, if you want to spend your mornings, so this is a good place to spend for a morning breakfast ride. Like, share, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I'll put it down somewhere. Till then, I'll see you in the next vlog. Love and peace. Bye.